What's up YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you how to boil an egg in a microwave. Some people tried and it blows up and it makes disaster in your microwave. Well, if you do it this way, it won't pop. Check it out. Okay, basically you fill up a cup, bowl, basically a bowl, a container. You make sure the egg is covered with water, as you can see. Okay, after that, like it's a lot of water, I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of salt. 1, 2. Now I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 10 minutes. In the microwave. For 10 minutes. You see? 10 9. So that part is done. 10 minutes. Now let's check it out. Take it out and check it out. Very hot. I'm gonna pour. Very hot. I'm gonna pour the water out and put cold water. Okay, have the egg there. Let's see if it's cooked. like that. You do that without the salt, it will explode. Look at that. Check it out. If you want it more well, look at that. If you want it more well done, you leave it for more minutes, but otherwise, see, it's a little soft the way I like it. Otherwise, put it for a few more minutes if you want it harder. But that's how you will make boiled eggs in the microwave. If you don't put the salt, it will pop, and it will pop loud and make a mess. Put the salt, at least 2 tablespoons, and you're all set. For YouTube, I hope this video is helpful in making your breakfast. I tried it without the salt and it made a mess. So put the salt, put the water in. 10 minutes will give you the egg a little hard, but not as hard. If you leave it for another few more minutes, it will cook harder. It matters how you like it. Well, like and subscribe, and hopefully this is helpful. Thanks.